the recipe for this week. We're going to be making the multi-bean chili. I've had to tweak it a little bit because some of the items I couldn't get hold of. So these are the ingredients that we need. We're going to be using a fry-like cooking spray, 1 large onion. It did say a yellow pepper, but I didn't have one. So we're going to be using a red pepper and a green pepper. Obviously, any pepper is absolutely fine. We need some Cajun seasoning. So we've got this one from Schwartz, this Cajun spice blend there. And that'd be 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of cumin, some mild chili powder, which I don't have, so I'm going to probably just stick a few. I'm going to put some frozen chili in there just to add a little bit of heat. It says 400 grams of mixed beans in chili sauce. So I couldn't find any mixed beans in chili sauce, so I actually got the mixed bean salad, which isn't in chili sauce, but I did manage to get the chili beans in chili sauce. So we'll be using those today, plus some Heinz beans, plus some tomatoes, and I'm going to stick in there a tin of red kidney beans as well. We're also going to need, this is a vegetable stock cube, 150 mils of stock, and obviously to top it off as well, you can finish off with some fat-free natural fromage frais. If you want to do that, I'm going to do it without because I'm going to make it completely dairy-free, but you could do that at the end if you like. Right, so we've got the pan on the heat with some fry light, and we're going to add our onion and peppers, and we're just going to fry it in the fry light for about 5 minutes. While that's cooking, take the time to weigh out all your spices, so I'm just going to do that now. So that's been about 5 minutes, and we're going to add our spices and then all our tinned ingredients. Lastly, of the tins, tomatoes. Then to finish off, we're going to add our 150 mils of stock. So we're going to stir that together. By all means, add some salt and pepper. So now I'm going to cover this and put it on a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. So I've just popped some rice on in the rice cooker as well. Yeah, that'll just pop off. Click onto warm when it's ready. Because we're having this for lunch tomorrow as well, so I thought we'd bulk it out with a little bit of rice. There we go, all complete. This would be the time if you wanted to add your natural fromage frais, the fat-free stuff, and that will make it sin-free. Yeah, and it only took about 30 minutes. It's actually 4 portions here if you wanted to make it for your family. We're going to have the other 2 portions for lunch tomorrow. So that's everything from me. Look out for the weigh-in this week, and I will see you all for the next one. Thank you, bye!